My favorite drink has always been Fanta. I guess I've always been the orange kind of guy.
Wow, orange kind of guy.
Yeah, fruity, but not too fruity, So yeah, I've always liked Fanta. I like orange, sweet. I like the lots of sugar. I'm a sugary person.
Sugar.
I'm quite sweet as well. So
Well,
yeah, for me it's Fanta all the way.
I prefer Mirinda because it's mild. I like the taste. That's why I like Mirinda. How about you?
Really? You grew up drinking Mirinda?
Everybody loves Mirinda.
Left to me, to be honest, I'm indifferent. Like, the one that is cheaper, I buy.
It's not about
Which one is 100 naira? Give me an 100 naira one. So I buy the one that's 100 naira because I can't drop that 20 naira.
You
extra.
know you mix drinks, so you
Yeah.
don't really take Fanta raw like that.
I don't know.
Exactly. So that one won't matter to you. But
Take
I
it
don't.
raw.
I hardly take Fanta.
Take it raw.
I hardly take Fanta, but if I was to pick, obviously, if I was in a party and they offered me things, I'll obviously go for Fanta.
Okay, looking at the colors, you can't really tell the difference because it pretty much looks the same. What do you think?
this one looks lighter. Maybe it's my eyes. I'm not wearing my glasses, but
I don't see it.
I feel this is darker.
Guy, there's
This is
nothing
darker.
darker. It's the light.
This-
It's lighting. I swear to God. I'm not seeing any difference.
I let
studied
our mouth
chemistry.
or our taste do the result.
Our tongue,
Or our tongue.
not our taste. We went
Our
to
tongue.
school. Yeah,
You're not serious.
All right, let's do the taste. Let me start from the Fanta. Let's start from the Fanta.
I'm sure it's Fanta.
Huh?
I
I'm
try
pretty
Fanta.
sure, but after the taste, I will know.
I buy this Fanta, Jerry. It's Fanta.
Wait,
It's Fanta.
I'm pretty sure this is big, but let me compare to this one.
No, I know this is not Fanta. I don't know what this is
not
yet,
Fanta.
but I'm sure this is not Fanta.
I don't know. I don't even know. Until I taste the rest.
Okay, now I'm confused. But this is Mirinda. Because this is Fanta, Joe.
Okay. I think this is Fanta.
My Mirinda.
I actually think this is Fanta. I
Anytime,
don't know
any
why.
day. My Mirinda.
Because I will not carry
Sorry,
last.
I was supposed to taste the last one.
No, this is Fanta. I'm going to cast on this shoe.
Hey, what's going on?
I don't know.
Okay, this one tastes sharper than this one.
Holy shit, I swear to God, I'm fucking confused.
Okay, this is probably Biggie because it feels light. I know Mirinda and Fanta are not this light. But for these two, I have absolutely no idea.
No idea, same here too.
I have no idea.
This one's taste stands out. I don't know which.
I already know which one this one is.
The taste stands
I
out.
already know. It's not even.
Is it Biggie or Pepsi?
Already, this is no, it's Biggie now.
It's
Obviously.
Biggie, okay. Because the taste is different.
This is first time I'm tasting Biggie, and I already know.
The taste is
I already know.
different.
So just stay
So
here first. No.
this one, yeah.
Just stay.
Yeah, this one, I don't know which one stands out.
Wait.
Okay, no, this is Fanta.
Fanta,
this is
Mirinda.
Fanta. This is Fanta. This is Mirinda. This is Fanta. This is Mirinda. This
Biggie.
has to be.
Sorry.
Yeah, this has to be Biggie
Biggie,
because it's too light.
Mirinda, Fanta.
Yes, same. Biggie, Mirinda, Fanta.
You cannot scam us on this show. These are real science students.
Biggie.
Biggie, Fanta, Mirinda.
This one seems to taste sharper.
This one is sharper. Okay, then it's Fanta. So
Calm down, I'm not decided now.
this is my own answer. Biggie, Fanta, Mirinda. But my gut is telling me this is Mirinda. But because of follow. So Biggie, Fanta, Mirinda. My gut is saying Mirinda. In case I feel it, I'll just say I said it.
Biggie. This is it. Okay. Are you sure this is Fanta or Mirinda?
One more taste.
One more taste.
This is Fanta. I'm confident. Put money on it.
Yep.
I put money on it that we're right.
Let's hope we're right.
Anybody want to bet?
Let's hope we're right.
Anybody want to bet?
a
Don't
struggle.
try us.
This was a battle. Between these
We
two,
mix
I had
everything
absolutely
mixable.
no idea. I'm never going to lie.
Wait,
I
this
said
Fanta,
it.
This Fanta.
I said, see, crowd mentality. This is the answer. Biggie, Mirinda, Fanta. See, my gut was telling me this was Mirinda. Because of you, my gut was telling me this was Mirinda.
The other way. Yes.
It was so tough. As in, they taste the same.
Yeah.
Literally taste the same.
This is Fanta. This has to be Fanta. This
I
has
cannot, baby. I cannot.
I will
can't.
not carry last in this life in Jesus' name.
I know her anytime, any day.
You're fucking weird, guys.
Thank you.
We've been bamboozled.
It is a trick.
I
It
demand
has
a
to be
retest.
Fanta.
They both literally taste the same.
Yes, they do.
Literally, these two taste the same.
So what did we learn today? Yinka was actually correct, but a woman.
Exactly.
I swear.
I got it right?
You were at first.
Initially, you
But
were.
she influenced you. So yeah. So Biggie standing out, is he a good or bad
Is it
standout?
bad because it's stand out is bad? Eh?
No, Allah.
Kilele.
It's okay, don't put that part. Oh, Kimboron. Oh,
Put that
Kimboron.
kilele.
Oh, Kimboron.
Oh, but they cut it. Put that kilele.